Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. My dear students, in this session I'm going to cover kinds of sentence, and in kinds of sentence the very first sentence, affirmative sentence. A transformation of sentence from negative to affirmative. So my dear students, how? If you really want to secure your 2 marks in the exam, then please I request everyone who are watching this video that please watch full video. I assure you that you will definitely understand what an affirmative sentence is and how do we convert the affirmative sentence. Okay, how do we change the affirmative sentence from negative? So here we go. Now first the question arises, what is an affirmative sentence? Of course, an affirmative sentence, a sentence which has no negative words, is known as affirmative sentence. So an affirmative sentence is made from negative. जब एग्जाम में आपको क्वेश्चन आएगा मेक इट अफर्मेटिव, तो याद रखना दोस्तों आपका क्वेश्चन होगा नेगेटिव. आपको नेगेटिव से अफर्मेटिव में कन्वर्ट करना है. इसको कहते हैं ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ सेंटेंस फ्रॉम नेगेटिव टू अफर्मेटिव. माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आई हैव ऑलरेडी कवर्ड the negative sentence. If you have not watched that video, the link is in the description box. Please go and watch negative sentence as well. So my dear students, before I go with the words which can be used to convert affirmative sentence, I just want to remind you once again that when you convert an affirmative sentence from negative, the meaning should not change. That's why this sentence bit becomes challenging and students they often face problem in this sentence when they convert from negative to affirmative. Okay, इसका मीनिंग चेंज नहीं होना चाहिए. जो मीनिंग नेगेटिव सेंटेंस कैरी करता है उसी मीनिंग को आपको अफर्मेटिव में कैरी करना है. बिना उसके मीनिंग चेंज किए आपको उसको अफर्मेटिव में कन्वर्ट करना है. एंड फॉर दैट वी टेक द हेल्प ऑफ फ्यू वर्ड्स. सो लेट्स सी दोज वर्ड्स. My dear students, I hope these words are readable to you people. If not, then I'm going to read out for you. Here we go. The first word we use to convert the affirmative, that is refuse. Okay, ये word का आप इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो. Second is refrain. Refrain is to resist doing something. Avoid, hardly, unwilling, unable, absence, without, stop, fail to, and opposite words may also be used when you convert from negative to affirmative. Remember my dear students, these are the words which we use when you convert from negative to affirmative. So dear students, without wasting the time, let's go and understand what an affirmative sentence is and how do we convert it. So here we go with the example. The first example, there wasn't a cloud in the sky. अब कोई कह रहा है there wasn't any cloud. There wasn't any cloud in the sky. इसका मतलब क्या है कि स्काई में कोई क्लाउड नहीं है. The sky was without any cloud. The sky was without any cloud. There wasn't a cloud in the sky. The sky was without any cloud. Wasn't was without. Okay, wasn't without. So my dear students, see, focus on the meaning. The meaning is same of both the sentence. Only the way of saying has got changed. This is negative sentence, wasn't, was not. Okay, negative, this is affirmative sentence. When you will get into as directed, make it affirmative. Remember this, that the meaning should not change. Here we go and understand the next example. I could not see it anywhere. I couldn't see it anywhere. I couldn't. इसका मतलब कि शायद दूसरे देख पा रहे थे, दूसरे लोगों ने देखा लेकिन मैं नहीं देख पाया शायद. I could not see it anywhere. I could not see it anywhere. So मैं देख नहीं पा रहा था तो I was unable to see it anywhere. Could होता है या can होता है तब often unable जाता है. Could not, negative sentence. Unable. I could not see. अब could not है, could है, इसलिए यहां पर was है. अगर यहां पर can होता तो यहां पर आता am. अगर यहां पर होता I cannot see it anywhere, I cannot see it anywhere, तो यहां पर आता am. I'm unable to see it anywhere. लेकिन यहां पर could है इसलिए यहां पर was है. आपको टेंस का भी ध्यान रखना है. My dear students, I have prepared the video on the tenses. If you have not watched the link, I'll give in the description box. Please do watch the video of the tenses. So I could not see it anywhere. I was unable to see it anywhere. That's your affirmative sentence. Let's go and understand the third example. I learned that courage was not negative, not the absence of fear. I learned that courage was hardly, here the word hardly is there, was not the absence of fear. I learned that courage was hardly the absence of fear. The courage was hardly the absence of fear. Not the absence of fear, hardly the absence of fear. That's your affirmative sentence. Here we go with the next example. I'm not free when my freedom is taken from me. I'm not free when my freedom is taken from me. I'm enslaved. Not free, enslaved. Not free का सिनोनिम क्या होगा? Not free, enslaved. बन गया पॉजिटिव, बन गया अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस. आई एम नॉट फ्री, तो इसका मीनिंग क्या होता है? आई एम एनस्लेव्ड व्हेन माय फ्रीडम इज टेकन फ्रॉम मी. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हियर वी गो विद द लास्ट सेंटेंस ऑफ द अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस. आई डोंट हैव अ फ्रेंड. आई डोंट, नेगेटिव सेंटेंस, आई डोंट हैव अ फ्रेंड. आई एम विदाउट अ फ्रेंड. आई डोंट हैव अ फ्रेंड. I am without a friend. The meaning did not change when we converted from negative to affirmative. Now, my dear students, these are some of the examples of affirmative sentence. Do you think that these many sentences will make you perfect in the affirmative sentence? No. These sentences were just to understand, just to clear your concept that how do we convert the affirmative sentence from negative. If you really want to be thorough in affirmative sentence, then my dear students, you will have to show a lot of practice. I'll give you few sentences in the description box. Okay, कुछ examples मैं आपको दूंगा. Please, my dear students, practice with those example and do let me know in the comment section what are your answers of those questions. So, this is the topic which needs a lot of practice. If you practice, definitely you will be thorough in the affirmative sentence. My dear students, I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. दोस्तों, अगर ये टॉपिक आपको समझ में आया, एक लाइक तो बनता है. अगर आप चैनल पर नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना बिल्कुल मत भूलना और इस वीडियो को अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करो. दोस्तों, आज के लिए इतना ही. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए जय हिंद.